It is now 7 days since we lost Captain Sheridan and Mr. Garibaldi. And in a way, I think we have also lost Ivanova. It is as though her heart has been pierced and her spirit has poured out through the wound. She blames herself. It is foolish, it is destructive, it is human. Ambassador Mollari has returned to Centauri Prime to take up his role as advisor on planetary security. I suppose he is quite happy with his new position. It's what he always wanted. Power, title, responsibility. I think he is more alone than anyone else in the universe. Delenn has refused to eat for 7 days, fasting, praying, and waiting. Delenn believes. I think she is the only one who does. The shadows have paused in their pursuit of war, and everywhere there is a sense of imminent change. Whether it is a change for good or ill, no one can tell, because no one has yet answered two very important questions. Where is Mr. Garibaldi? And what happened to Captain Sheridan at Z'ha'dum?